Good afternoon, this is RJS Roofing. We're here to do a repairability attempt for Mr. Sergio Ramos. Today's date is Wednesday, August 14th. It is 11:30 in the morning and it's about 75, 80 degrees outside. This is gonna be the 3-tab that we're replacing due to this wind damage shingle here, as you can see. The tools we're gonna use is State Farm approved roof snake, standard nail puller, and a roofing hammer. We'll go ahead and break these seals so we can get to our nails. Pretty brittle roof, a lot of loose granules. We want to go ahead and give them an overview. These 2 rows. That way you can see there's no prior damage or creasing or anything like that. All right. Start taking these nails out. Try to be more gentle. Oh. There we go.
On this shingle here, you can see some broken matting up here right in this right corner. A little bit here right in the middle. That's about it on that one.
That's where some of these don't have nails in them. Guess not. Got no nail under that one. So it looks like there's nothing there.
Yeah, this shingle, I mean, there's a little something right here in the right corner on this shingle, but other than that, that's about it.
Just because we touched it, we'll show them. I don't know why there's not a nail under it.
On this shingle here, it's kind of hard to see, but there is a little bit of a crease starting right here on the right side, going through the middle right here, and a little bit right here on the left side. On this shingle here in the top right, there's some damaged matting along with a little bit of a crease starting to form right around through here, a little bit here in the middle, and then over here on the left there's a little bit of damaged matting.
All right. And the second one, I should have 2 on it.
On this shingle here, there's not really anything on the right side at all. Here in the middle, there's a little bit of broken matting. Then right here on the left, you can see a little crease along with some damaged matting.
All right. Couple more nails here. That one was pretty good.
On this shingle here, There's not really much right here on the right side at all. Here in the middle, there's a little bit of damaged matting. And then over here in the top left corner, there's some broken matting.
Half nail removal.
On this shingle here, there's not too much on the right side, but when you get right here in the middle, there's some damaged matting and a crease starting to form, and a little bit over here towards the left.
All right, take this 3-tab out. Oh, I guess not. Maybe there is nails. Well, I couldn't see them. I don't know where though. Hard to find them. I can't look them up. Those are just stuck. Definitely. Feels like there's one right here. Oh, there you go. It was like stuck. All right, get this new 3-tab. Get it lined up. All right, I'm gonna use State Farm approved roof snake to install these nails back. Just not being aggressive, you know, being as gentle as I can. Just barely lifting this up, just high enough to get that nail where it needs to go. It's hard for these nails to go in sometimes when the wood is so bouncy. Roof snake is damaging these.
Yeah, it is.
This repair attempt is finished. As you can see, got a new 3-tab here. If you look at this shingle, got some slight creasing, broken matting, a little bit of loose granules there. So I'll mark that one. This shingle, a little bit of broken matting in the middle. Not too bad overall, but there's a little bit right here, so I'll have to mark it. This shingle is probably hard to see, but you can see some creasing here up top, especially here on this left side, right there. This shingle is really honestly pretty good. Slight right there, but for the most part, that one's actually okay. This shingle here, you can see some creasing, a little bit of broken matting there. Mark that one. This shingle is really not that bad, except for this left side. Over here is honestly fine, but we'll have to mark it because of this broken piece right here, matting I mean. And then this shingle, there's kind of a crease all on the whole top, especially here on this right side there, right here in this corner. So because of the condition of these shingles and the damages surrounding the repair, I have to say this repair test has failed.